Good morning, LEGO fans, and welcome back to the LEGO City of Glomsfield. It's time for a much needed update on our LEGO City. Outdoors, it's actually a storm growing, so it's kind of cozy to be down here in our LEGO basement talking to you guys about our progress. As some of you might remember, I decided to do a little woodworking. I've been moving around tables, this main part, this main table, and the rest of the layout, moving it away from the far end wall, allowing me access from the back as well. So this is how it's coming along. I moved my Ninjago district to the front, which I think looks so much better. I added a small beach and kind of tinkered a bit with the train track layout. And as you can see, the new table is in place, which connects my two bigger tables with a road, which I'm really excited about. It makes so much more sense in the LEGO City. As you can see, I still have a ton of work to do. I'm gonna add a few more base plates at the back and some train track, of course. But it's coming along, and it's gonna allow me to add a few more structures alongside the Seashell Hotel, which is, of course, very exciting. And this side is coming along as well. I'm gonna be adding a mountain wall, mountain side, the same manner as this one, right over here, and another train tunnel exit or entrance right there. And I'm building a new hospital, and this is how it's looking at the moment. It's kind of a work in progress, so that's gonna be a fun project. And there's my modified pharmacy. It was actually three stories high before, but now I made it into a two-story building, so it won't hide any of the other buildings when you're entering our Lego room. And as you can see, it's just a bunch of stuff scattered around on the floor still. So this is a major project for me, at least. Yeah, I've added the Lego Ideas treehouse, and this is what I came up with. This is what I chose to do with it. I moved my Ferris wheel to the front and placed the treehouse in behind our castle ruin. I think that makes a good looking scene, a good looking view. And where the top floor of my new hospital is placed, there I'm gonna have my coaster, of course. And I finally came around to paint that ugly door, and it's now white and nice and blending in to the walls of our Lego city. I think I'm gonna take a real quick stroll to the back end wall, so you guys will have a quick peek at the view from that side, which is actually unique for my channel so far. And I really do like the Ninjago district from all sides. As you can see, there's still a bunch of trees laying around, just need to find a new home for them as well. Well, this is really cool to be able to film my Lego city from all different kind of angles. And this is the view from the far end, so to speak. So, a quick update on our progress. Our woodworking progress is more or less done. I've actually gotten around to do a little painting as well on the sides. I want to have it presented nice and neat all around. This is really cool for me to connect my two tables for vehicles and pedestrians as well. So yeah, I hope you guys have a nice Sunday afternoon, and I'm gonna keep working down here in my Lego room, in our Lego room, and I'll keep you posted when I reach some new progress, of course. Sorry for the shaky images, but I'm moving as smoothly as I can alongside this kind of tricky area. Well, as I said, have a nice Sunday afternoon, you guys, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye for now.